Hello. I forgot to, well, I don't have an intro. I don't have my usual hello because, well, we had a stream today and everything messed up. So, let me restart. Intro, please. All right. Hello. Okay, finally. All right. Let's see. Something feels off. Let me know if you can hear me. It says that it's unable to get the chat working. Okay, now it says that it works. Why are you weird? All right. Some of you might see that my screen is kind of, well, all over the place. And that's why, well, not that's why. That's because I've been working on this challenge coding thingy, fancy, whatever. Not sure if you were live yesterday, but we had this coding challenge where, well, I had to code something in X amount of minutes, and if someone donated, it reduced the time, or I had to code with only one hand, or I had to delete the entire code and all that. Now, today I worked a lot to kind of automate this, and it's almost working. I had it working with Socket.io on the backend, then now I'm moving back to Streamlabs API, Socket.io, blah 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 thingy, which kind of works, which is good. It's closed before the connection, blah blah blah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so now I have here an alert set up. So if someone donates, you can see here $49. Dennis, hi. Not sure if I have everything set up, but don't waste your money yet. We have a fun game coming. Where have you been yesterday? It was a lot of fun. Oh boy. So what it's left for me to do, basically I had everything set up. When someone donated $1 to $4, it reduced the time, and when someone donated $20, it deleted the entire code, which is nice. Well, not for me, but for you to watch. Thank you, Dennis. There you go, Dennis, with the super chat. Thank you very much. I'll add you in the donation jar. The time has been reduced by 10 minutes already. Okay. Now, the issue with so on the back end, what I did was to listen the file. You can see, there. I never know which. Okay, so there, well, on the footer on this video thingy you're watching, when someone donates, there is this app Stream Labels, and this will write on a file. And I was thinking that if I could read that file, then I could get the amount from that file, and then I could do my mambo jumbo with it. But it didn't work because this Stream Labels app was writing to the file every couple of seconds. So then, it wasn't okay. So now I changed my approach. Let me close these things. I'm not sure if I need it anymore. I changed my approach so that I'm listening to the Streamlabs Socket API, and you can see here every time someone donates, I get it in the front end, which is good. The only problem now is that I don't have my backend, which deletes the entire code. So what I want to do quickly, at the beginning of this stream until people are gathering to the meeting. I want to quickly write an express sort of route, which when we post to, it will delete the entire code. Shouldn't be hard, right? Because we have the front end part. So basically you can see now the timer. I can't really fake a $1 donation, or I don't know how. Can I? Yeah, and also, by the way, for those of you who are watching and who are members, let me quickly say thanks to all the members. Memberships. So yeah, sorry if I'm all over the place. I was working all day on this because I want to make it fun, hopefully. So yeah, thank you Marco, Dennis, Ivan, Ishan, Jeffrey, Rahul, Jonathan, Tishale, never know how to pronounce your name, Akash, Sarat, Nate, and Laurent for becoming a member of the channel. I really appreciate it. Also, let's add quickly Dennis inside the donation jar. And then we're going to code the backend, and then we're going to play. And hopefully it will work. And yeah, not sure if you watched yesterday, but it was quite fun. I had to code with my left, well, with one hand, and yeah, member streams will be more fun. All right, so give me, yeah, give me some time, okay? Don't rush me. I also, you know, this is empty, and maybe it affected my brain. Who knows? All right, Dennis, Ivy, thank you very much, buddy, again for the donation. You are like $140 over the second biggest donator. So yeah, 0505 2020. All right, let me see here. There you go, Dennis. And you get now inside the donation jar. Which is, yeah, I need to clean it up. All right, there you go, donation jar, and boop, Dennis is on top, on top of the mountain. All right, good. Now, let's quickly create that. So basically what I need, it's a backend route I can call to delete a folder, right? We have the entire functionality. I just need to ping the backend and boof, it should delete the files. And then we can play. Hopefully. All right, let me put this here. Good. Now, so this is the front end. By the way, let me change to this screen. And this screen will now have a local file, coding game. Yeah, I think it's on the, let me users, Florin. I'm on the second screen. Wait, second Streamlabs. Index.html, open. Okay. Yeah, and view. All right, good. So this is what you will be able to see. So as of now, it should work if someone tips $1 to $4. And also, well, I can't really do anything for the $5 tips, you know, because, well, I just remove my hand. It's nothing programmatic about it. And now I want to do the 20 plus. So if someone wants to delete the entire code, I will do that. So I have an Express app. I don't need this anymore because it was Socket.io. I moved this to the front end. The stream with the problem Euler will be tomorrow, probably. This is what I was talking with Quincy and Bo, but we'll see. All right, $50. Yeah, so if you have any crazy ideas, what can one poor man do if someone donates, feel free to let me know. Also, maybe in the future I want to be, so instead of having someone to donate 20 plus, or well, $20, maybe we can have a progress bar. So if multiple people donate and the progress bar gets to 20, then Florin dead, you know? Yeah, that could be fun. Snake in 10 minutes. Okay, yeah. Good. So I don't need the public folder anymore. I can delete this. I kind of deleted the entire work I did today. Good job, Florin. Good job. Good. Bad boy, Florin. All right, so I want to post to /delete all, and this will delete all. Oh, wait. I had a delete all code. Well, basically it's something like try rimref.sync and path, project path, right? And then, well, catch, so if we have an error, you can see the code, right? Okay. Console.error. Okay, and how do you run an Express server? App.listen? No, app.listen. And what it requires, callback, yeah, whatever. So I guess console.log app listening on port 3000, right? Okay, so now let's run this. So node server app listening. Okay, let's go to localhost 3000. We don't have anything, but if we go to delete all, well, it kind of doesn't have a reason to work, right? Well, let me say here, someone wants to punish you. Okay, and now, oops. You'll hear a lot of oopsies in this stream. So I want, instead of node, I want nodemon server so that it will run continuously. And now let's see. Coding Google Docs. Yeah. Something is not working. App.post. Oh, I get app.get. Let's get. And it's weird, but you know, this is a get request. Get. So what's wrong with you? I don't know, so let's see. Express app. Frame rate is dropping, not for me. Maybe on your side. Example. So let me get an Express app example because apparently I don't know how to do the Express app. Okay, port. Oh, I need a port. Port. App down listen port. Okay. Switch frameworks. Yeah. App.use. No. Switch to Angular. No. I can't. You know what? This needs to do something like rest.send booyah. Why it don't work? So have the port, we have the, let me do this. Poor Florin is tired. You guys are nuts. Okay, and Apple listen, It should work. Oh, 3000. Thank you. All right, so now if we go to 3000, yeah, look at that, hello world. So now we should be able to delete all. Boom. Someone wants to punish you. All right, good. So now it works. Well, if I have a challenge folder on the desktop, so this will be the fun part. So let me show you. Basically, this is where I'm going to do the coding. Challenge. Can you see this? Yeah, this folder, right? And well, let me open this in another instance of VS Code. And let's say I will have an index.html. I will have a style.css, and I will have a script.js, right? And I will start coding in the HTML. I will do something like a full video background, and here I will do my fancy HTML code, and then we'll link style.css, and then we'll do script.source, script.json, or whatever, JS. And here we're going to have body background color purple, right? And if we run this in a live server somewhere, yeah, look at that. So yeah, this is the project. Now, if everything's correct and I didn't mess up something, whenever I refresh this page, this folder here should be, you know? Okay. Or if it won't, then I have something else. Well, I have this, by the way. Let me see. Okay, it works. All right, so let's see. Well, can I run this again? Okay, and refresh. Look at that. Boom. So yeah, that's fun, right? Okay, so this works. That means that think. I have the front end, which is good. Well, I didn't fail, but also I have this. You failed! Sorry if I don't know, maybe they're too loud. Or this. Oops. Okay, Florin, you should not play with sounds in the middle of the stream. Okay. All right. Good. So let me quickly set this up on the front end. Yeah, you can see here deleted. Yeah, so, well, it kind of is deleted, but it's not deleted. It should also close my VS Code, but oh well, I lost an ear. Sorry. Oops. How can I? Well, I guess if I could do something like this, and now I do this. You failed! Okay, not this. I have too many things open. It might, I don't know, it might die. Deleting won't work. Well, it will work on this. Now, yeah. Because say folder is open. Yeah, that's a thing. But well, you know, we'll see. All right, so here, when the mount is bigger than 20, I will do a fetch to HTTP localhost 3000/delete all. That's all. I can do a wait or something. Well, I don't need a wait. Just need to call this, I guess. All right. So let's create a folder again. It should be called challenge, otherwise it won't delete it. And yeah, I need to do this. I can close this. And now if I test an alert, it should be removed. Yeah, look at that. Good. So it works. All right. Yeah. Okay, let me think. So yeah, it works. We need to have this open. It's open, yeah? Oh no, Streamlabs. No, we don't need this. This is done. This, don't need this. Streamlabs. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I can just move this here. And we can test it live. Let's see. Let me close this. Streamlabs, okay, coding challenge. Yeah, so this will work. All right. So this needs to be live, and yeah. Can't you empty the inside the challenge instead of challenge for? Or maybe I did not see correctly. Yeah, I was thinking about that too. So basically, the trick is that if I have the challenge, challenge. So I have it open in VS Code, and I start coding. I don't really lose stuff, you know, because VS Code will keep it. We'll keep it open. Let's see, index.html, and I start coding something here, blah blah, and now someone donates. Boom. Yeah, you can see it says deleted, but it's not really. I mean, if I save, it will come back. So I kind of yeah, I don't know how to do this. Maybe. Well, I guess when it says deleted, I just close the VS Code and restart. Right? Empty the file. Well, I don't think it will empty it either. So I can do index.html, I think. And let's see, if I do that. Yeah, you see it says deleted, but well, I have the code. If I remove this, then yeah, it will be deleted. Can I have something like star here? No, Mihai. If 2 people donate $5, I will code with one hand for 4 minutes. Yeah. Elbows. And can't change. So let's see. Can't you change the content of the file so you empty it? Yeah. Hands or elbows. Okay, so if I'm working on index.html, well, it will delete most of the file, well, all the files. Although I will close VS Code, and that should work. Yeah, so it deletes it. But if I have something inside, then I can quickly save it and go back. But yeah, I will be fair. So, hello, programming with Masood. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Right-handed. Okay. But yeah, if I have style.css and script.js, if I have something in here, let's say alert, hi, and body, background color, purple, like that, and I don't have these open when the donation occurs, yeah, I lose those files, you know. I can't really do anything else because VS Code already has it open. Yeah. But I guess this is a good approach. We see deleted, and I will just close VS Code and drag again and start over, right? $90 for those. All right, we can play around with those amounts. Yeah, so now the question is, you can see that when someone deletes the entire code, I get 5 more minutes. Drop table users. What else I could do? So yeah, $5 one hand. I guess when someone donates $5, I can have some kind of, I don't know, counter, which will say I need to code with one hand. Yeah, so the good thing is that we have that. Can I have the, well, 1 second, banners? Can I put them here? Yeah, I guess. Okay, so me dying. You could that I can play with the window. All right. Would newbies like to come to Discord? Yeah, probably. The banners can be on top of the game. All right, good. And you need to be locked. All right, goody. By the way, for those of you who are members, you can say goody now in the chat and you get the goody emoji. Oops. Hey, welcome. I don't have water again. Be right back. I'm back. Hey, Nate. Goody to you too. You're funny, Dan. All right. Yeah, I could do stuff like, I don't know, for $10, I have to code with no autocomplete. Or yeah, switch to something else. Blindfolded. If I remove my glasses, then I'm basically blindfolded. Yeah, code with no glasses. No Emmet. Ooh, how can I... Let's see. How can I disable it? Wait, what's the short code for disabling Emmet? Code with Vim. Okay. Hey Ciprian, code in Notepad. I don't have Notepad, but I have some kind of... Let me see. So I can open this with notes. Just one component. Oh, not here. No. Text edit. Yeah. Okay. I still want to modify this document, blah, blah, blah. Duplicate? Nah, no duplicate, boy. Delete copy. Code with one eye. Yeah, that could work. That's easy. Okay, let's see what kind of challenges could we have. So I could let me write in a script file. So what type of challenges could there be? So I could code in text edit. So that means no emmet, no autocomplete. Okay, that will be a pain. Then no live server. Yeah, so no live preview of what I code for 3 minutes. So I kind of code blindly. All right. Code Twitter. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, Twitter is 280 now. Tic-tac-toe. Yeah, so yeah. But please think about, so it wouldn't be fair if I just fail, you know? I should have a chance to do it. Yeah, I kind of want to do the 20 plus, delete the entire code, like some kind of a progress bar. But that will take time. Maybe I'll do it for the next time. Yeah. Also, let me restart this. 30 minutes. Oh boy. Yeah. So let's I think this will be code on paper. Handwritten code. Yeah. But if it will be nice to have a handwritten code if I'd have a webcam so you can see or something. Now the code in text edit code by balancing a book. A code in text edit seems much harder than deleting the entire code. Or no? Okay, so let me code upside down. Bottom to top, you can't add lines below. It's pretty hard to... Yeah, I'll just mess it up and it wouldn't work that well. So let's see what we have. No live preview for 3 minutes. Code with on-screen keyboard. I don't know how to switch the screen upside down. Sunglasses. I kind of have a pair of sunglasses. But it's in a car and my wife is gone, so. All right, so index HTML, let me add, so let's think. No live preview of what I code. I think for, yeah, so maybe I'll do this for 5. No live preview lasts for 3 minutes. And then for 10, I will do, I don't know, the no hand. One-handed code. Code while wrapping. Let's return. Okay, let's see how this looks now. All right, so I need to move things up a bit. There are too many things now. Okay, so if I go to the CSS, strong. Okay, margin top. Let's remove this to 10 pixels. Okay, almost. Well, if I do this like that and then time, you go, oops, you go like this. It will be easy if you don't code and only talk for 3-4 minutes if someone donates. Yeah, but the idea is for me to be challenged to finish a project, you know? All right. Yeah, this could work, and I can push myself down a bit. Go down, Florin. Go down, Florin. All right. Live stream it. Yeah. No. Okay. It's kind of crowded. Can you read it clearly? Or what's another way I could have this up being, I don't know, displayed? I will remove this though, probably. And yeah, the heading, oops, not here. So the heading, margin 0. Add a new project. Oh, not this. All right, yeah. And maybe line height 1. Yeah, then I need a bit of margin, so 5 pixels. Start clock again. Yeah, I could. Whoa, that's actually a nice idea. I could have, for something like that, pick a project. So someone can change the project for, I don't know, 30 plus. No, I don't know about. Okay, so let's see. How does it feel now? So I could have something like, this will be the crazy. So tip 30 plus, change project, change project, entirely, I don't know, change project. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot now. It's too crowded. Yeah, giving her away. Yeah, so nah, I don't really like this though. It was fine without this. So we don't have space, kind of, right? It's really crowded there. So maybe I could, I don't know, change this to 1.2. The time can be a bit smaller. Just to make some space. Margin top 10 pixels. Yeah. All right. Can you easily read what's written up there? Let me know, please. Or I could do something like, you can. Good. So I could do something like no live preview 3 minutes or something like this, 3. And one-handed, well, one hand 2. So I could remove like 2 lines like this. Oh, okay. Go now. Yeah. So this could say 2 minutes. No live preview. No preview. Okay. No preview. 3 minutes. So now they should fit there. All right. So yeah. And now we can have the big one. If someone wants me to change in the middle of the so change project. You have to put reduce time 1.4 or you send my marketing brain. Yeah. Reduce time. Okay. Done. Not sure if this fits now, but let's see. Almost. Reduce. Well, reduce 1.4 minutes. Won't this break your marketing brain? Yeah. All right. Okay. So how is this now? No preview for 3 minutes, one hand for 2 minutes, delete entire code, gain 5 minutes, and all that. All right. Good. So hopefully today won't have any donations and I can code quietly. All right. Kind of. I want to move the timer just a bit up. 10 pixels. And then I can move myself back in place. Kind of. Let's see. Yeah. All right. Okay. So yeah, we have reduce, no preview, one hand, which is hard. This is why I increased. If you want me to fail, you have to beg. I'm kidding. All right. So yeah, we have this. Well, actually, now we have this in place. What I want, let me move this. So many notifications. Let me, well, I kind of need this. So, you know what? I can do this and then notifications and mute. Okay, good. You have to leave in 7 minutes. All right, so let's start coding something. I want to code something. I don't know what. Let's see. I had some ideas. Let's look here. Twitter. Come on, Twitter. Okay, here. Hey Gaurav, nice to see that. I still have notifications. Okay. Notifications mute. Good. Alright. Have a good coding. Thank you. So, animated responsive navigation. We did that. Simple game like moving dinosaur in Chrome. That will be interesting. An absolute center responsive model. Turn a web page into PDF. I don't know how to do that. Video background. So yeah, let me know what kind of ideas you have what should code. We should start with something simple and then I will increase the difficulty. Something like this, or the dinosaur game. Logo slider. What's that? Oh, you know what? UI design daily. I kind of wanted to do this because, well, this is also visual. So, wow, look at the carousel here. Nice. So these are visual. And, well, we can get, if someone wants to really mess up, did you start the game? No, not yet. Well, let me close the game. Now, the only thing which will mess things up, I think. Hey, Shan. I'm only checking for the amount. I'm not checking the currency. So, people from India, I think, with the currency, they can wipe out my entire code. I think. Yeah, I don't have Discord. Let me open it. Carousel. All right. Well, let's see. Company logos. Well, you know what? We did yesterday carousel. So yeah, let's do something else. Let's do these pricing cards. Well, they look so nice. Aren't they? Exactly. Yeah, so that might be tricky. Because, yeah. Well, I guess we'll have to see. But if that's the case, then, well, we'll have to, I don't know. I'm not sure what's the amount, and I can't really test. Hey, Andrew. Yeah. All right. So let me do this pricing thing. I think I need 15 minutes. No, 10 minutes. I can do it in 10 minutes. Let me get the image out. So yeah, this is the script which... No, this is not. Yeah, I kind of want to see HTML random generator. I don't know which one is that. Okay, so I don't need this. I'm not sure what you guys talk about. So this is what we have to do. Let me get up the game. Oh, I kind of need to change the tile. This is why I had it, right? So this is the, this is the challenge, okay? And the server, all right. And I kind of need to check her bio, all right. I will for the next one, okay? Remind me for the next one. So yeah, I want to make 15 minutes. No, 10 minutes. I can do this in 10 minutes. Save, close this. Let me put this here because it's basically HTML, CSS, right? I don't have any HTML. I don't need JavaScript, so bye-bye. 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 Finally. All right. Come on, Discord again. Famous last words. All right. Good. Well, let me delete index.html too. So no files. Well, no, actually let me have index.html because I need a live preview. So I will have this pricing table, and I will also link the style.css, right? Okay, and have style.css. All right, good. And now, well, actually I can now open VS Code, well, live server or whatever. All right, good, here. I kind of not sure where to put this. Prepare for trouble. Yeah, I don't think I will have to. You know what? You go away, please. All right, so we have more room. You go here, kind of like this. All right. This is the worst setup. But yeah, and we have room. Good. You can probably see pretty much everything. I guess. All right, let me close this, drink some water, and then I'll start. I'm not sure. If you donate rupees, I think it will break. Spec table? What is that? Well, I guess we can see if other currencies will break the system. Okay. Do we have 15 minutes? Oh, 10 minutes. Okay. Windows management. I'll drop you the link. Oh, thank you. Does it work on Mac? All right. Good. So pricing. We need a title. We need that. We need that. We need logos, probably. All right. Yeah. Please send it me on Twitter. Okay. I don't have the drum rolls. Okay, let's start. 10 minutes. Okay. So style. No, we need okay. There you go. We have a container, and then we have price, and this has a hobby. I don't have text there, so let's do the startup. Well, it has an H2 startup, and then here we have price, which is a paragraph, which has 99, and inside has a small, which says per month. All right, and then we have a button, and we also have here in the price we have a head, kind of. Can we have a header? Not sure if we can more than one on the page, but oh, well, it's okay now. And we have a main. And now here we have, well, actually, let's make this a div. And we have a UL bigger than li times, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so, and the button here says get started. All right, now here we have 1,000 subscribers. Don't look there. 10 team members. Kind of can't see this, so let me make this bigger. All right, thank you. 10 team members, 10 metrics, email, SMS, webhook, notifications, custom CSS, status. Come on, this is taking a lot. Authentication API and team member SSO. All right, 8 minutes left. So we kind of have the HTML. Let's do the CSS. So we need box sizing, border box. On the body, I need what? I don't know. Container, display flex. I want 3 of these. So container price, go 3, like that. Okay, so display flex. All right. Well, I kind of will have one next to each other, so I won't have it like this, but okay. Now the price will have border radius. How much time I have? 7 minutes. Oh, that's plenty. 5 pixels, box shadow, 3 pixels, 3 pixels, no, 0, 0, 4 pixels, RGBA, 0, 0, 0, 0.3, something like that. What happened? Oh, we have the pricing as a component and the price. No good, no good, no good. So this div has to be pricing. Let him win the first round. Exactly. Pricing. All right, good. Let's have some margin between them. All right. Now, pricing header. This will be background color, something like E000. No. Header. Background color. Padding. Well, I guess, okay, padding 10 pixels and font text line center. Prancing. Finally. Okay, EF. Much better. Okay, and then the pricing div, which should have some kind of class, should also have padding 10 pixels. All right. Pricing UL should have, I don't know, so pricing UL li. This should have a margin of 10 pixels 0. We need the fonts, google.com. 5 minutes. Okay. Kind of a lot, not a lot. Embed, import, copy this, please. Go here, use it, delete this, font family, Roboto sans serif. All right, good. Now the li should be font, bigger font, a small font size, something like 14 pixels. All right, pretty nice. Okay, let's do the button. UL, do we need something? Yeah. Div, no, okay. So let's do this. Pricing, price. I want to do the price, which is in the header. So let me put it here. The price should be font size 40 pixels, very big. And the price small should be display a block on its own. Okay, and font size very small, well, 16 pixels. All right, and this should be font weight 300, and this should be font weight something like 700. All right, and I need to import that, so I need 300 and 700. Yeah, 700 too much, so maybe 600. Okay, kind of. And like bigger, I don't know. All right, good. And now the button. So where was it? Still in the head. Well, I guess all the buttons can be button, background color. Ooh, I need a color. Where was it? So UI design daily. 3 minutes left. Okay, there's plenty time. Plenty of time. Where are you? Where? Whoa, I deleted it now. I don't know where is it to get a color. Thank you, smart pants. I guess this color works too. You. Good. So you go there. Then we have a color of white. Like that. And padding 15 pixels, 30 pixels, border none, border radius 5 pixels. Yeah, kind of not the color, but I don't know. Let's take the darker one. Okay, and want font size to be 18 pixels. Yeah, too big. All right, something like this. Now the padding has too much. The price has too much margin, so margin, let's keep it to 20 pixels, like so. And I want around the header more pixels top and bottom, so maybe 30 pixels, 10 pixels, and also here 30 pixels, 10 pixels. All right. The container should be max weight of 900 pixels. Well, no, weight of 900 pixels and max weight of 100%. And it should be margin 0 auto, so it will be centered. And now we have something like this, which is pretty good. Okay. What else? I kind of don't like this color, so let's make it F3, F3, F3. F9, 9F9. Yeah, kind of. And the box shadow is too much. All right. And these, well, I guess display flex, flex, wrap, wrap. All right. So if they don't have space, they go to the second line, please. Well, pricing. Weight to 50. All right, so now they should be responsive, but the only issue is that we're out of time. And well, justify content center, and well, we have all of them the same. Okay. Yeah, kind of needed 15 minutes. Yeah. Also, the button is not the best. 16 pixels maybe. But yeah, it's not worse. Well, it's not that bad though. And we don't have the icon there. Well, where is my soundboard?
You failed!
Sorry if I scared you. I can run this when the time when the time goes down. But maybe it's too. Is it too loud? Did it scare anyone? Yeah, let's add that. Okay, so well, it's not that bad though. I don't have that color. Yeah, We don't have the icons, the text is all the same. But well, you know, get the streamer deck. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. Let me close this. I will copy paste this and change this to pricing just to have it saved as something we did. And well, let me add that sound. So when we get to 0, it would say you failed. Because that sounds fun, right? So where is it here? Okay, so when you get to 0, then audio fail.play, and we're going to need const failed will be document get element by id failed failed audio. Sorry, okay. And this will be as simple as adding the audio file here. Well, I need this. All right. And I need it, I don't know, here. Audio source will be you failed mp3. All right, and now if we start with, I don't know, seconds left. Here I could put 2 seconds. Let's see. Will this work? Sorry if it blows your ears. Let me know if it's too loud. No? Do I have some kind of properties? Oh, control audio wheel. Oh, okay. Yeah. So now it should say fail. No. Let's see in real life. ID is missing. Oh, thank you. So yeah, we added this, but we didn't add an ID of failed. Yeah, I wanted to. I want to add that. So for example, for the 20 plus and 30 plus, I don't know. At least for the 20 plus will be a donation goal. You know? And then for the other ones, yeah. I don't really like the 30 plus thingy. I don't know. Yeah, I will delete the 30 plus thingy. And we'll convert this to be a donation, I don't know, a donation, a goal, something. Okay, let's see if this works now.
You failed!
Might be too loud.
You failed!
How many times it runs? Is it too loud for you? It looks like that. Yeah, but now it should work though. So let's see.
You failed!
Okay, I think it works. But I think only you can hear it. Which is not good. Sorry. If Please don't use headphones. uh, I'm setting the where it is. So I kind of want to see monitor and output. So I think, how about if total donation? Yeah, that's probably would be it. So total 30 plus delete entire code. And then here we're going to keep track of X, how much we have now. Okay. And you know what? I won't gain 5 minutes if that's the case. Or will I? Should I gain 5 minutes? Let me...
You failed! You failed!
I think that's...
You failed! You failed!
Yeah. So it runs multiple times. Why? How can I play it once? JavaScript audio play once. Control Z 50 times. Whoa, yeah, that, well, Oh, loop false. Okay. I can do that. So this failed audio, loop false. Okay, so now it will only run once. Hey, Deepak.
You failed! You failed!
Yeah, okay.
You failed! You failed!
While working, failed loop false. Well, let me run it locally again.
You failed! You failed!
Sorry, Ivan's wife. Why it's still looping? I don't know. So yeah, see what I do, which is pretty annoying. I always just close. Yeah, I just close the tabs all the time. Connection up. What? What happened with W3 schools? Oh, I guess there is a property on the audio file, right? HTML audio, where you can say no loop or something. No? HTML audio no loop. I don't know. How can you not loop audio? Or, well, let me use this instead. And I'll use this as a source. All right. And well, I need this ID to be failed. and I don't want controls. And loop equal false. And let's open this 1000 time.
You failed. You failed. You failed.
No, I didn't. So I did. Why is it looping? I don't have this, by the way. Why it's so hard to have an audio file not loop? I guess play, and you just need to listen to when it stops. Well, try again.
You failed. You failed.
Thank you. So that doesn't work. Alright, then. You annoyed me, so I will use the big arms. So, failed audio dot add event listener. And what's the event? Let's look it up. JavaScript audio. Okay, properties, no. Loop, set or returns when the audio should start playing over again every time it is finished. Yeah, that doesn't work. Events, where are the events? JavaScript audio events. Ended. Okay. On ended, I want the failed audio to be paused. Now, if this doesn't do the trick, then I don't know what will do. Let's see.
You failed. You failed.
Come on.
You failed.
And this sound is really
You failed.
on spot.
You failed.
Oh,
You failed.
I really failed.
You failed.
It's loading because I call it all the time when the countdown is, well, the countdown is a set interval, and when this goes to 0, well, every time I just call the play. Duh. So yeah. This is what happens when you're stupid. So I need to call this, but I also need to stop the interval. So const game loop will be set interval, and here I want to game loop, well, clear interval game loop, like that. So now it will play, and then it will clear the interval. All right, finally. Now it only failed once.
You failed. failed.
I failed again.
You failed.
What happened?
You failed.
Oh, I think I need to...
You failed.
Okay, shut up. So game loop. What I'm doing wrong here? I need to use the countdown? No. Set interval, clear interval. JavaScript clear interval. Okay, so set interval, clear interval. Or you know what? Instead of using set interval here, alright, so I won't use set interval here. I will just call the countdown here. Countdown again. Well, set timeout. Countdown after a second. So instead of having an interval, if it's not ended, so if we still have seconds, then it will call again. Alright, this should work. Right? Oh boy. Oh, the loop false. Oh, now it's looped. Oh, I forgot to call to start, so... game loop. Countdown.
You failed. You failed.
Okay, probably now we have a loop. Probably this is not a good property. Let's check that. So maybe if we set loop, it will just loop. Okay, once. Stop.
You failed.
Okay. So then failed audio loop false. All right, if this doesn't work, then you know what? So if it's less than 0, it will set it to 0, and it will play the play, whatever else, it will call this function again. Okay, so this should work, hopefully. Oh, I think I need to always open this.
You failed.
Yay! I had a positive, but yeah, you can hear that. Well, you can't really hear anymore for some reason. My stream OBS died. But it works now. All right. Good. So now we have more room there. Yeah, what's the time? 7:25. I might stop today. Well, let's see if this runs on OBS.
You failed. You failed.
All right. I'm not sure how many times you can hear it. Hello, Shivan. Let me start recording this. And loop now.
You failed. You failed.
Yeah, probably a lot of times. Because I have monitor this. Mute output. Will this work?
You failed.
I'm still failing. Okay. Let's see what you hear. And loop now.
You failed. You failed.
Yeah, no. Probably a lot of times. Because I have monitor this. Mute output. Look at that, 2 Florins. Will this work?
You failed.
Yeah, actually that works. I'm still failing. Oh, okay, so that will work if I have this to mute output. All right, so let's try again.
You failed.
All right, so you only hear it once. A lot of people dropped. They don't want me to fail.
You failed.
Okay, so this works. Good. I guess I could go back now. We need to change this to total minutes times 60. Hey Shivan, I'm good. How are you? All right. And now if we run this, we have 10 minutes. All right. And I can add, wait. Oh yeah, this is good. So in the CSS, I can now add back margin top something like 30 to have more space. Yeah, good. And even for the time, let's add back 30. Okay, good. Maybe 30 is too much. 20. All right. Yeah, so the total for the total. I don't really know about React Native. Sorry. Okay. So for the total, I kind of can't keep up, probably. Well, here in the donation amount, I coded like 13 projects or 14 projects from Frontend Mentor. So yeah, it's time for me to move on. So yeah, the amounts here. So for the 4, okay, that's good. For 5, no preview. For 10, one hand, okay, and then 20, 30 plus. So there, this X, I need to make a span, whoops, with an ID of total. And this, well, this will be 0 for now. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Oh, why it's X? Should be 0. Oh well. Or how can I total 30? Or I can do something like 0 out of 30, right? Not sure. Let's see how this looks. Doesn't look good. Where should I add this? What if it will say 20? Yeah, I guess in parentheses will be the best. So go there, space, span like that. Don't want you to go on the second row. Why do you go? Oh, well. Yeah, it goes in the second row, doesn't look right. If I remove the plus, it might work. Yeah. Or I could just say here, li, oops, current and this span. When is the next member stream? When was the last? Last week? Tomorrow I should be on FreeCode Camp. And then Thursday, I don't know, maybe next week. Most likely will be next week. Okay, good. So this span, let's add some style. So ULLI span, I want it to be font weight bold. All right. So now, Jumbi, we need that. So const total element will be this. Oops. Total, like that. And Dumby. Well, I guess let total donations will be 0, right? And here when someone adds, let's see, total donations, if this is bigger than 30, okay, and here in total donations, plus equals amount. Increase donation total. All right. So then if the total donation is bigger than 30, then whoop, bye-bye code. All right, and now this should hopefully work. We need to check. And it should be bold and it should be fun. Let's see. All right, current 20. Now if I go to Streamlabs, log in, please. And here I can test the donation. I don't know where I could test different donation amounts. That will be cool, but yeah. Okay. Go back there. And I want to test donation. Oh, I didn't update that. Sorry. So in the script here, total donation, so total element, inner text will be total donations. right? Okay, so now it should work. Let's start with 0. Where it is, here. 0. Okay. Yeah, it was not that hard. I thought it would be harder. Alright, current 0. I kinda don't like, I mean, yeah, I don't know. Let's see. This donation, boom, 46, and bye-bye code. Okay. Yeah, so I guess that will work. Now the only thing is that, so if the total will be over, then now whatever amount will be over, so it will delete again, which is not okay. So whenever we go over 30, I kind of want to reset the total donations, right? So total donations equals 0. And well, this, let's do a set timeout. So maybe after a while, show this. Maybe for, I don't know, 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, show that it's 0 again. After 5, well, show after a few seconds. Show this is donation update. A donation clear after a few seconds. Okay, clear donations. All right. So now we have the game. It's 0, but if we donate, okay, that's 11. And it also should work with super chats. Yeah, that's a lot. And now after 5 seconds, boom. Okay, good, perfect. Maybe we can add even 10 seconds. All right. Yeah, I don't like how that current looks there under the total, but don't really know where to put it. Don't we have any designers around? Okay. Other thing will be for me to see how much how much I have left for no preview and for no hand. Oh boy, so many things to do. Is anyone watching anymore? Okay, let's see. Are you still alive? Say hi in the chat. You can ask me anything. Let's have a chill moment. Oh. Oh, by the way, we have 50 likes, so yay! I found this website. Well, someone told me about it, which has all the sounds. So let's let's see if sound. I want success. Okay, stop. All right.
Great success.
Okay, so don't you need to wait the fetch to work? Nah, I don't really need to because it will just resolve on its own. and we don't really do anything with it, so yeah. One second. Let's see. I need what kind of sounds I could use when we, I don't know, succeed. There is this though. How can I stop it? Okay, like this.
Success!
Yeah. So whenever we reach the likes goal, I don't know, cheer? No. Clap. So you catch block if it is the fetch doesn't find the server? Yeah, kind of. So we don't really care here. We just need to poke somehow this URL. You know? So we just poke it and then done. Well, I had a catch error before, so I just left it there. But yeah, we don't really need. We don't really need this. It should work, nevertheless. Well, if I have the front end, if I have the server going. There are a lot of sounds there, but I don't know what. Sunshine, sunshine.
Sunshine, sunshine, ladybugs awake. Clap your hooves and do a...
I'm not sure what she said. Clap. Okay. All right. Good. All right. So, yeah, we kind of have it working. I don't have the one hand and no preview. Maybe I could add something like active underneath. Oh well. Can you show the delete all function? Yeah, so that's on the server. This is what we have on the server. Delete all, it just uses rimref to delete everything in the challenge folder. So everything inside. It's a library, rimref. Yeah, we kind of did this, so we don't need that anymore. And yeah, so whenever we send here a request to this delete all, then it will just delete everything in that folder. All right, I think that should be it for today. It was fun. I just need I need a couple of things to do probably to improve this, but for now, yeah, we should be ready to do something. I don't know. Should I do a coding challenge? I'm kind of tired. I coded all day. Yeah, so this is the folder we need. we can kind of create it on the fly when we run that script, you know? That should be an idea. Okay, nevertheless. Thank you, Puffuland. Yeah, so how you doing? What's going on with your life? Yeah, I won't be coding anything else today. I think it's enough. I would, well, no. We could do another stream with another type of thing, but maybe tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all for joining. I hope you enjoyed it, you found it useful, hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow on the free code. I think we're still in discussion, but I should be live tomorrow on the Free Code Camp channel, where we're going to do Code Wars, which should be fun. All right. Take care and have a great day.